everyone, happy Tuesday. It is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I took today off of work because I'm not feeling the best. I have a really bad headache, like sinus pressure on my whole side of my face and going back into my head, and my ear feels weird, so I don't know what's going on. Probably just like a sinus infection or something. But I took off of work to relax with my kittens and it's a really beautiful day out today though. It's super sunny and it looks really warm out. I don't know how warm it is, but it looks beautiful out. So I think I'm gonna go for a walk when Andrew's done with work. We'll both go for a walk. I feel like I can't even talk right. We're both gonna go for a walk when Andrew's done with work to enjoy the weather and to get some fresh air, because I think that will help. But I just think it's funny because I just was filming a video from last week about going to the gym and consistency, and I haven't gone to the gym in a few days because my head is hurt so bad, and I couldn't wake up that early, and I just felt like I really needed to rest. But we have been doing yoga and going for walks, so that's at least something, but it's funny. So I am gonna just relax for a little while longer, and then I will take you guys with us when we go for our walk. How was your day?
My day was fine. I worked all day. It was boring, but the good news is they're doing another incentive at work, which means I can make some more money. Not like a ton of money, but a little extra money would be nice. Yeah.
And I was lazy and did nothing today.
Well,
but that's okay.
You were nursing your poor head back to health.
Yes. We're at a park close to our house. Yeah. It's like a tiny park, but it's not much of a park. I don't even know if
I would call it a park. It's like this tiny little walkway area.
But it has a really pretty stream.
Yeah.
I like it here. My hand's cold. For some reason, I was envisioning it being like 60 degrees out because it was so sunny and beautiful and everything looked melty outside, and it's quite cold.
It's, middle of winter, but for some reason we get this random 60-degree weather day, but we still have all of our snow.
I have a hurt head.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. Your head is gonna heal up nicely. Are you all ready for this?
Did that hurt?
Ow.
Are you okay? Here.
I'm getting too old for this. Look, it's a snow angel.
Good job.
And it's got 2 feet.
you supposed to be up here?
Obviously.
Are you supposed to be here? You want some soup? I don't think so. Oh, no scratching. I don't think you're supposed to be up here on the table. No scratching me. Go put you down. Happy Wednesday, guys. I am on break from work and having some lunch. And I have some tortellini soup. It's basically just like brothy soup with tortellini in it. It's really good. So I'm just taking a little break. Andrew's playing Ark, which is a video game with dinosaurs in it.
Yeah.
How would you describe Ark, Andrew?
Just like you did a game with dinosaurs, and you kind of have to like survive on the island while you tame dinosaurs and kind of build up like a base and everything.
You have to survive on an island and tame dinosaurs and build a base. And there's cute dinosaurs in it. And I was named after, the Triceratops was named after me. So, yeah, they're lucky.
Everybody, all the ice fell off the roof here on the side because it got warm out and it's kind of like melting and rainy today. So all the ice fell on our porch. So I'm going to go shovel it off the porch so nobody falls and dies. Let's go. You want to come out and help me, Springs? You want to go shovel the porch? It's nasty out here. I mean, it's warm, but it's nasty. It's almost your 60-degree day.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop to think any of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. It's not that you're timid, no one could say. Choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us? Hobos per se. We'll find that out on the way. So let us just do.
Guys, we're venturing into the great outdoors and I'm trying to get my sleeve over my glove and I'm failing miserably. This is very difficult to do, you know. It takes a very special, talented soul to do this. That's me. I can and I will succeed. There, we're good. Alright, let's go out.
There's a lot of traffic on our street. We're on break from work right now. It's like 1 o'clock. And I just felt like coming outside and getting some fresh air because I feel so much better when I'm out here. My head still hurts. But yeah, we're getting a ton of snow actually. It's supposed to be a storm, so it's just funny because I think it was Tuesday. I was telling you guys that everything was melting and it was sunny out and beautiful, and I thought it was like 60 degrees out, which it wasn't, but it's back to being really cold again and snowy, so maybe we could go skiing this weekend.
Good job. it's snowing today. There's a storm. We're supposed to get up to like 10 to 12 inches in some areas, and we've gotten like 2 inches so far here. I'm gonna have to shovel after work. There's also a bunch of ice because yesterday everything decided to melt off because it was like 50 degrees and all the ice fell off the house. So there's a bunch of ice there, but now it's a snowstorm, so we're gonna have to shovel that too.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a lot of work later after
But it's
work.
okay. I feel like being outside.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Apparently Andrew started shoveling already.
Yeah.
Getting a head start.
Doing the porch. I might go do the end of the driveway where it's gonna be really wet
Heavy?
and heavy. There we go. Yeah, it'll be a lot of work.
So we just finished work and it's been snowing all afternoon and it looks like we didn't shovel anything earlier, so that's fun. So we're gonna have to do some shoveling, but I'm taking out sprinkles to show her the snow because she seems really interested in it, but I'm not sure. We'll only stay out for like a second because it's kind of cold, but I'm curious how she's gonna handle the snow. Hey, Springs! Hey, baby. Hi. You want to see the snow? You are interested? That didn't go as well as I thought it would go. She did not want to be outside, so she stayed out for a second. But I'm gonna go start shoveling so that we can at least get some of it taken care of. We'll probably have to shovel again. Well, we'll definitely have to shovel again in the morning, but yeah, it snowed quite a bit. It's crazy. I think they said that the snowstorm's gonna last 30 hours, so it's a long time.
What's the difference if we put in half the work now and then half once it's done?
Yeah.
Let's assess the damage. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow, guys.
Are we trapped?
Oh yeah. A lot of snow. Gonna require some shoveling later. Oh no.
today, and we got a lot of snow. And the best thing about today is we're slow at work. And the other best thing about today is we don't have any plans for tonight or tomorrow. So it's gonna be a nice relaxing weekend, and tonight we're probably gonna be shuffling a lot because of the snow, but that'll be okay. Andrew, what is this coffee? What flavor? What is it? Cinnamon something?
Yeah, I don't know.
Or caramel?
You made
Oh,
it.
I think
make it. I don't know what kind you made.
it's caramel swirl coffee, and it's pretty good. Although I think I like the chocolate raspberry better.
Yeah, I like the chocolate raspberry a lot.
But this isn't bad. But I gotta start. I gotta get on to work. Sprinkles, baby. Sprinkles. What are you doing? Oh, you attacked a bag.
Yeah, she was doing that earlier too.
Springs, what?
Gotta get the ice off the windshield wipers. So your other
Super
camera
icy.
died, huh?
Yeah.
That's alright. Probably still got a bunch of cool shots. I think I just breathed in a snowflake. Jeez.
It's cold. Wow, I feel so warm though.
We got it done. Well, yeah, because that was a lot of work. Did you grab my jacket?
Yeah, I brought
Thank
it
you.
inside.
Yeah, everybody. It was a lot of work, man. Not shoveling the entire driveway again. That was ridiculous.
Well, it's the problem is that so much of the hard stuff gets stuck at the bottom. But yeah, it's all shoveled, and now the snowbanks are as tall as me. It's really pretty out though.
All right.